Hi friends, good morning all of you. Hope you are fine. Today we are going to study this one science chapter second. Already I posted the first part of this video about the second chapter, keeping healthy. Okay. So in this chapter we were discussing about this one how we can keep our body healthy while having this one different types of food. Okay, so based on food, this chapter is already we discussed the components of food that are called nutrients. In the under that category nutrients, we already discussed the proteins. This one carbohydrates. Proteins and carbohydrates we already discussed in the first video. Okay, so today we will study about fats, then vitamins and minerals, then again water, then roughage. Okay, so main five nutrients, the main five nutrients which our body should get, those are carbohydrates, this one proteins, then fats, vitamins and minerals, then these are there. Okay, so after that the next important content is water, then after that is roughage. Okay, so all these things we must include in our daily food. Okay, so those things we are studying. What are the food we must eat to keep healthy? What are the food we must avoid? Okay, which gives overweight, this one body problems, health problems. All these things we must this one always keep in our mind. We should, what are the food we should eat? What are the food we should not eat? The food which it contains these type of vitamins, minerals, etc. और vitamins है, vitamins नहीं है, ये fruit क्यों हम लोग खा रहे, ये खाना क्यों हम नहीं खाना है, because all these things we will study in this chapter. Already we discussed that small story. I explained that story which has happened in our school. Story not, that is incident which has happened in our school. Why we must avoid junk foods, why we must avoid Maggi pasta in our breakfast. I already told that because these food lack of enough amount of energy, proteins, carbohydrates. It is not having too much energy, so it is not giving too much energy to our body. It is nothing. We are getting nothing from this food. Only we get a taste. Okay, so some healthy food it may not have that this one enough amount of nutrients and the vitamins, water, etc. But although we must eat those type of food which gives our body keep always healthy. So that all the things we are studying. Already we studied carbohydrates, why it is needed for our body, what are the food which contains carbohydrates, and we studied about proteins, why protein needed for our body, it gives us strength and it help us to grow, and then proteins gives energy to our body, then again to repair the damaged portion of our body. हम लोग को wound हो गया, हड्डी टूट गया, so if we eat the food which contains rich amount of protein, which helps our wounds will be healed fast. Okay, so all these things we discussed in the first video. This is the second video of the second chapter. You listen to me carefully. In this chapter we are going to study about fat, then vitamins and minerals, water and the roughage. Nothing more detailed is given there. I have some extra knowledge also for you. What are the different types of vitamins and what are which are the food which contain these types of vitamins, etc. We are going to study today. So listen me carefully. Keep textbook with you. Okay, try to read before watching this video and after this watching video also. Please read the chapter. Reading gives you better knowledge. I always told you that. Please keep that in mind. So चलो शुरू करेंगे. First point the fats. Okay. Fats, look at the textbook. The body uses fats to maintain its temperature and to cushion organs. Okay, to cushion organs means if you eat more amount of this one fats, like if you take a food which contains more amount of fat, okay, what happens? We need fatty foods, like those food we need in our daily life, but you don't eat this type of food ज़्यादा, ठीक है, ज़्यादा this one quantity we don't eat this type of food, means it gives a problem, that is obesity, overweight. हम लोग का body ज़्यादा क्या हम लोग मोटा हो जाएगा, ठीक है, so that will be a problem. You cannot manage. आप लोग का body posture change हो जाएगा, your shape will be changed, etc. Some people are always down about this overweighting, etc. हम क्लास 5 में देखिए वो कितना मोटा है, देखिए वो देखिए क्लास 2 में उतना छोटा है. So basically if we are small we must take a food which contains rich in fat, ठीक है. Some at least all of you may have seen now हम लोग का सोसाइटी का एक प्रॉब्लम होता है कि बच्चा जो है मोटा मोटा होता है, ओबेसिटी, दैट इज बिकॉज वी आर गिविंग दिस टाइप ऑफ जंक फूड एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. फैट जो ज्यादा है वैसा वाला फूड वी शुड नॉट गिव टू आवर चिल्ड्रन. ओके, सो दैट इज अबाउट दैट वन. The food which contains more amount of fat which will increase our body. Although fatty food, the food which contains more amount of fat which gives your body extra energy, like extra energy for our body. So we are already taking carbohydrates, the food which contains carbohydrates, that is okay, that is which is needed for our body. Fat also needed but not more in amount. Okay, so that is about that one. We should eat fats in very small amounts. When we eat more fats than our body needs, हम लोग का बॉडी में जो फैट हम जो ज्यादा खाएंगे वो फैट्स विल बी स्टोर्ड इन आवर बॉडी. सो क्या होता है, the fat which we needed in our body, that our body takes. Okay, so excess ज्यादा जो है वो हम लोग का बॉडी में स्टोर होता है. So that store which is in our body, ये क्या है, हम लोग का बॉडी का साइज इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो आपको क्या हो जाएगा, मोटा मोटा हो जाएगा. सो वी नीड फैट इन अ लिटिल अमाउंट ओनली. ठीक है, so don't take a fatty foods more. Okay, so that is about fats. Okay, then again this food which contains rich in fat rich food, those butter, cheese, paneer, etc etc. Then different types of oils which we cook, that also you have to avoid oils. These only little bit you take. Okay, so those are the food which contain more amount of fat. Okay, so ज्यादा fatty food खाएगा तो हम लोग मोटा हो जाएगा. So remember that in your mind. Don't take food which contains more in fat. So that is about that one, fat. Moving to next one, vitamins and minerals. Small paragraph is given there. Vitamins are needed for our body to stay healthy. Vitamin help us to prevent from different types of diseases, and it always gives our body, हम लोग का immune system को क्या है, हम लोग का it protects us from different types of diseases. If we have these vitamins, हम लोग का food में if we include different types of vegetables, fruits, etc., which is having these different types of vitamins, it increases our immune system power. हम लोग का body जो healthy रहेंगे. ठीक है, so that is about that one. Vitamin A, B, C, D are there. Vitamin K also there. These types of vitamins are mainly present in different types of vegetables and fruits. Vitamin helps or keeps our body healthy. Second one, it protects us from different types of diseases. And third one, fruits and vegetables rich in vitamins and minerals. I already told you that. Then again, some more facts about vitamin which is given in your textbook. Vitamin C keeps gums healthy and keeps our body to absorb iron from different types of food we eat. Okay, then vitamin D, sunshine vitamin D. If you stand in this one, sunlight, हम लोग का body अपना से vitamin D बनाएंगे. So that also one of the important thing, vitamin D. And the vitamin D we also get this one if we take the flesh of this one different types of fishes like tuna, etc etc, which also has that vitamin D. Okay, then again this one egg yolk also which is rich in vitamin D. Okay, so that is about that one, vitamin D. Then vitamin A, I'll just give simple explanation about these vitamin C, D, A, etc etc. Vitamin A, this is a vitamin A. This is the food which eat this one which contains vitamin A in more, which always help us our skin to be healthy and our eyes will be healthy if we take it. If we have vitamin A content in our body, so we must take it. हम लोग का skin strong this one अच्छा रहने के लिए, हम लोग का eyesight वो सब ठीक रहने के लिए vitamin A is needed our body. That is we are getting vitamin A with the help of this one vegetables like carrot, then again fruits like papaya, etc. So you must take a carrot and papaya to keep our body healthy by taking that vitamin A, etc. Okay, then again next one, vitamin C. Vitamin C हम लोग का body को चाहिए क्योंकि हम लोग का हड्डी this one bones to be stronger, then teeth to be stronger. We need vitamin C. Okay, so that is important. Then again vitamin D, I already told that is a sunshine vitamin. So then again one more, vitamin K is given there in your textbook. Vitamin K helps blood clotting. हम लोग का body में जो cut हो गया then खून निकलेगा, ठीक है, blood will come out. So if vitamin K is present in our body, what happens? That wound will be healed fast. जो suppose you think that if our hand is cut by something, blood जो जाएगा, ठीक है. So if vitamin K is not there, आप लोग का body का blood पूरा निकल जाएगा, मर जाएगी, ठीक है. So that is about that one. So we must take food which contains different types of vitamins. Okay, so that is also given in your textbook. Then different types of this one minerals are there. Now after vitamins, vitamin A, B, C, D, then K, then B, etc. All these things we are getting. We must take. We must eat those type of food which contains more in vitamin, especially vegetables and fruits which are contain these type of vitamins. Okay, so we must, our body needs vitamin for different purposes, like healing a wound, then again protecting us from different diseases, to healthy immune power, immune power healthy होने के लिए we must take food contains vitamins. Okay, so moving to next one, that is minerals. Okay, minerals serve a variety of purpose. हम लोग का body में minerals चाहिए. Main important minerals such as calcium, then iodine, then again iron, etc. Calcium, iodine, iron, these are the main important minerals which needed for our body. Some more are there, sodium, potassium, zinc, etc. etc. That also in a little bit amount. But calcium, iron, iodine are the main important minerals which is needed our body. First one which is given in your textbook, that is calcium help our body to grow, like हम लोग का bones strong रहने के लिए, bones grow करने के लिए we need calcium. Even though हम लोग का teeth दांत जो जाएगा छोटा छोटा साल में, तो हम लोग का this one tooth will be gone out. Okay, so हम फिर से आ जाएंगे. So for that our body needs calcium. So calcium is one of the important mineral which is needed for our body, and also it also helps in blood clotting, and blood clotting stops the loss of blood in case of injury or something like that. So I already told you that importance of that one, calcium. And second one is which is given in the textbook, that is iron. Okay, iron is another important mineral which is needed for our body. That is iron is needed to build red blood cells, and iron also it carries blood oxygen from this one, that respiration process. हम लोग जो breathe करेगा, that is inhale, exhale. During that process, what happens? Our body will take oxygen inside and will releases carbon dioxide. That is taken place with the help of this blood circulation. हम लोग का जो blood में this one iron is there, that does that do. What happens? Because of that this one iron oxygen intake. Okay, oxygen will take by with the help of this one blood cells. Blood में जो होता है, hemoglobin is present there. So this iron helps all these functions. हम लोग का body में hemoglobin होता है, blood में hemoglobin होता है. What happens there? This one hemoglobin helps in our blood. Hemoglobin content is there. With the help of that hemoglobin, this one what happens? Oxygen taking places happen. So for the production of hemoglobin, our body needs that iron. Okay, mineral iron. Okay, so that is about that one. Iron is needed to build red blood cells, and also this iron gives this production of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin helps our body to get that blood खून को red color देने के लिए भी it helps. Okay, minerals helps that iron mineral iron helps this one blood को red color देने के लिए. So some more main functions are that are there about iron. Okay. Then that is about the mineral iron. The last one is iodine. Always you make this one. Always you know that our body need this one iron. That हम लोग का मम्मी जो सब्जी बनाएंगे, always she used to put the different types of क्या होता है, different types of सब्जी जो बनाएंगे घर में, उसमें क्या है, नमक डालेंगे मम्मी, ठीक है. So what happens while putting that salt, it already contains that iodine. We always take this one iodine by having different types of curries which are made by our mummy. Okay, so that is about that one. Iodine also needed for our body, and this one other minerals important for the human body includes iodine, magnesium, sodium, potassium, and zinc. That you will study in the higher classes. Okay, 5, 6, 7. You will study in detail about the different types of minerals. So I hope you understood about the minerals also. So moving to next word, that is water. Okay, we must drink a lot of water, okay, in our daily life, because if our body is lack of water, what happens? We will be tired. Okay, so whenever we are so that time when we are tired, what happens? Our body, हम लोग का brain automatically signal जो जाएगा क्या है, you are thirsty, you have to take water. So that time you people will ask in the class, sir, may I drink water? So that is about that one. Our body needs enough amount of water. If our body is not getting enough amount of water, what happens? Growth problem that we are going to discuss. Water makes up about 60% of an adult's body's weight. हम लोग का body में weight जो gain के लिए 60% का हम लोग का काम जो मिलेगा, that is because of the help of water. Okay, so water is essential for us to stay alive. Most of our body organs need water to function properly. हम लोग का body में जो organs होता है like liver, kidney, etc., it needs water. Okay, so we must take water regularly, continuously. Otherwise, what happens? हम लोग का body में जो purification process होता है with the help of kidney does that job. So if it is not getting enough amount of water, what happens? हम लोग का body में क्या होता है? It creates some problems. Okay, you may be having some problems, stomach ache, you cannot, urine will not go in the proper way, it goes in a yellow color, etc., etc. That is because of lack of water. Okay, if you do not drink enough amount of water, it will create some problems in your body. Okay, so water helps maintain our body temperature also. हम लोग का body ज़्यादा गर्मी नहीं होने के लिए we must take a drink water, enough amount of water. If water content is okay for our body, then we will be getting this one. Now we can maintain our body temperature. Okay, that also one of the important thing. It also helps the body to get rid of wastes in the form of urine and sweat. हम पसीना हो जाएगा ज़्यादा. So that is a way of our human body to release different types of wastes in the form of that sweat or urine, etc., etc. So water is also needed for our body in enough amount. Okay, to compensate this water loss, हम लोग का body में जो पसीना होता है, then we will go to for this one for urinal, etc., etc. what happens, हम लोग का body से पानी जो जाएगा. So or to compensate this one, what we have to do, we must take water in the proper amount. Okay, so that is also one of the important thing. Always if you are ill, if you are sick, our doctor is always used to say that drink enough amount of water, take water. So that is important. Our body का this one perfect function करने के लिए we must take enough amount of water. Even though if you are not thirsty also, you just drink a little bit of water. Don't allow our urine to go in a yellow color. That is one thing I have to say to you, that keep that in your mind. Okay, so that is about water. Moving to last one, that is a roughage. Roughage is a simple thing. That is a roughage means झाड़ू करना. मतलब हम लोग का बॉडी में जो this one waste जो जाएगा, that is because of the presence of this roughage. We need a roughage at the content also needed for our body. A simple activity to understand what is roughage means, you take an apple. Okay, you take an apple and wash it. Just eat when take it one or two bites on the apple. Okay, so क्या करना है? Just chew it unless the taste must go. You just chew it continuously. After taking all the taste, then there you will be having this one fiber content portion in your mouth. That is called the roughage. Okay, there will be fiber content like small line like things will be in your mouth. Okay, so what is that? That is called the roughage. Okay, so if you take that one, if you put it into your stomach, what happens? It acts like a broom. झाड़ू ऐसा act करेगा. क्या है हम लोग का body का अंदर जो portion में like the digestive system, it cleans our digestive system. झाड़ू करेंगे, क्या करेंगे? So we must include the food which contains that roughage. Okay, it is essential part of our diet. We must take food which contains digest. It makes the movement of the food in the digestive. हम लोग जो body में energy जो मिलता है, that is from food. So the food which we eat must be contain this roughage. Okay, so roughage helps to clean our body, clean our digestive system. So that is about that one. Almost the salad which we eat, the cucumber, etc., apple, etc., etc., these are having that roughage content in a large amount. Okay, so then again eat fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains like wheat, etc., then legumes and nuts are rich in the source of roughage. We must take the food which contains roughage. Okay, so lack of fiber, if you are not taking such a type of food which is not containing roughage, what happens? We will have some problem while going in the toilet or etc. You will take so much time to release your shits because of that roughage, etc. So we must always take a food which contains rich in this one roughage. Okay, fiber content ज़्यादा. Okay, so I I think almost these topics are I covered. Like this one, important components of food that are minerals. I just complete the components of food under the category that we studied in the first video, that is proteins and carbohydrates. We already completed that one. Now today we discussed about fat, why we should take fat, why we should avoid this one excess amount of fat, that also we discussed. Then again vitamins, I explained A, B, C, D and vitamin K, etc. also, and given example also. I think all of you may understood that also. Then again different types of minerals are there. The main important minerals that are calcium, iron, iodine, which is needed for our body. Also I told you that. Then again why we should take water, what is the importance of water in our daily life, that also I told you. Then finally rough page, okay, that also I explained. I hope you may understood all these things. Keep the textbook with you, keep a dictionary also with you. Just understand the difficult words meaning. If you have difficulty to find out the meaning, take the dictionary. Otherwise you Google kar dijiye, you will get the exact meaning, and you can solve at least all chota doubts ko clear kar sakte. Okay, so that is all about today. Thank you for listening me. See you in the next video. Stay warm, stay safe.